In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add an other option in Google Forms. Whether you're conducting a survey, running a poll, or simply gathering information, having an other option can be invaluable for capturing responses that might not fit predefined choices. Firstly, let's navigate to Google Forms. If you haven't already, open your web browser and head to forms.google.com. Sign in with your Google account if necessary. Once you're there, you can either start a new form or select an existing one that you want to edit. For today's example, let's ask a straightforward question. Which of the following is an Apple product? This is a common type of multiple choice question where you'd list products like iPhone, iPad, and perhaps MacBook. To add responses, click on the question type drop-down menu and ensure it's set to multiple choice. Now, let's focus on including the other option. Underneath the list of predefined choices you've entered, there's typically an option to add other. Simply click this and an other field will appear as the last option for respondents to fill in their unique answers. This allows respondents to contribute information that may not be covered by your initial choices, which can be particularly useful if you're unsure of all the possible responses or if you want to gather more detailed feedback. Next, let's ensure that respondents must answer this question before submitting their forms. To do this, find the toggle switch labeled Required and turn it on. This simple action ensures that every respondent provides an answer to this question, which can be crucial for maintaining the integrity of your data. Once your question is set up just the way you want it, it's time to see how it looks to a respondent. Look for the eye icon at the top of the page, which represents the preview option. Clicking this allows you to see exactly how your form will appear to those who will fill it out. It's a useful way to double-check the layout and ensure everything is functioning as intended. Finally, it's a good idea to test it yourself. In the preview view, go through the process of answering the question and submitting the form. This helps to confirm that the other option and all your required settings are working correctly. The testing phase is crucial. It ensures that there are no surprises for your respondents and that the data collection runs smoothly. And there you have it. With these straightforward steps, you've successfully added an other option to your Google form, ensuring both a comprehensive and flexible data gathering process. This is a useful technique for capturing a wider range of responses and ensuring your forms are as effective as possible. Thank you for watching and happy form creating.